Welcome back to Vicky's Crafts. I have another collective haul, and this one is my monthly kit from my Pip stickers. And again, I have the March 2024 little book that they have. If you want to scan that to have some fun, you could. And I haven't opened it up to see what's inside because I've been feeling down. Okay, so that's the sticker. They always add a card, and this one says California Sunshine, and it is a little card there. Let me get some paper to go underneath to show you. Get this one. I get busy. So let's do the large ones first. This one is called Red Carpet Royalty. So look how cute that is. Sorry for the glare in the corner. So that's that one. This one is called The Real Hollywood. And it's like a film strip, which is cute. And then this one is called Golden State Getaway. So it all had to do with the premieres of Hollywood. And then this one is called Cinematic Sensations. Now showing the popcorn. This one is called Paradise Postage. Real cute. Surf USA, California, Hollywood, and the surfer with the sun. And the next one is called Rosie Roadsters. I always wanted a punch car. It's cute. And then the last one is Tantalizing Taco Truck. Okay, that is my Pip sticker kit. The next thing I ordered was this from Etsy from Eileen Hall, and it's her new book, and it looks like that, a little book. And so I picked it up because I love her, and she sent me this cute little booklet inside that she made as a thank you. So that's cute. So it's the Sizzix Scoreboards Bigs mini book. That's what it's called, and it's 666497. And that's how it will cut the pieces to make this tiny little book. Then I received my Silhouette monthly kit, the cutting mat and the cutting blade. I think it's every 3 months or every 4 months you get that. And then I ordered a Peachy Cheap again, and I picked up the 12 by 12 stickers that they had. Let me move this to the side. And let me show you little by little. And this one is Wildflower Simple Stories, and it's 12 by 12. And I believe I picked this up in the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo. So now I have another one. And then this one is the Little Things Simple Stories. This one is cute. I'm loving the camera, the old time camera, the little bike, the little teacup, and of course there's little word dice here. This one is My Story from Simple Stories. Cute. I love the poodle with her little bow, typewriter, the books, the little coffee cup, right there with the design inside the coffee. And then that word documented. Then this one is Simple Vintage Berry Fields. And I think I picked this up with the Stampin' Scrapbook Expo. So I'm going to put it together with that one. And this one is The Simple Life. And I think I picked this one up, if I'm not mistaken also. Or was it the cardstock that I picked up? And then Here and There from Simple Stories. I'm loving the little train, the map with the coffee and the passport, and the little pillow for your neck. Loving the little globe there, the hotel keys. And then this one is Flea Market from Simple Stories, and I don't think I ever picked up this one, but I'm loving the colors. I love the record, the old time TV. We used to have a huge one, and it was color TV, and it had the 8-track tape on one side with the radio and the record player, and then on one side it was the radio and then the TV in the bottom. That thing to move, it needed like 10 men. It was so heavy. When we moved, we left it there at the house so that the landlord does whatever he needed to do, because when we moved it didn't work anymore because they didn't have the bulbs for the color TV. Yeah, we should have kept it. That thing was so heavy though. Loving the cameras there and the vintage memories. That's cute. That's a cute design. And now we go to Fancy Pants Designs, and I do have this collection, so I'm going to put it together. And I forget which one is this one. Which collection is this one? I think it's Frosted Forest. I think I have that collection. And then this one is Honeybee, and I know I have this one. And this one is Fancy Pants Prairie Rose. I don't have this one. And that's the last one that they had in PGG. So this was a one. I think it was 10. 3. Yeah, 10. It was 10 pieces for this PG sheet. So let me show you one more store that I picked up, and it is from the washi tape collection, or store I mean. I picked up this time some stamps and some washi. Let me first show you the stamps. They came in these little bags, and it's wooden little stamps. As you can see, this one is like a fairy one with a flower coming around the little girl. So that's cute. And the next one I picked up was this girl with cat ears and with little stars around, and I believe that's her cat. Oops, sorry. That's how that one looks. Sorry, I was off to the side. And the next one is this one right here. She is in the grass with a butterfly, some flowers in her hands, and another butterfly there. She's cute. And the next one I picked was this cute little ballerina with the moon and a star and some little stars and a little kitty right there. And they look like this. The rubber is like that in all of them. I forgot to show you. See? So they're all, I haven't stamped them because like I said, I've not been myself this past days and weeks. And the last stamp is this girl with a little bird or butterfly and some flowers all around her, and she's picking up the flowers there in her little apron. So those are the stamps, and now the stickers is this one right here, which I'm going to open up. So it's days of the month: May, April. Those are cute. Wonder where I could open it. It's right here. So April, May, June, July. That's nice. I could use it for my journal and calendar book. Loving it. I love the colors. Very pretty. Back. And then the next one, it's A New Day Strong. So that's that. And then 3 rows are in this one. Sorry if you hear the dog. That dog is always outside. I feel bad for the dog, because even at night I hear him barking. Sorry for the noise. I just broke it. So it looks like that. Every moment matters. Make something good every day. You are amazing. Remember that. So it's uplifting sayings. A nap is always a good idea. It's a new day. Strong. Again, it goes back to the same thing. And then it's coffee o'clock. Let's see if I can open this one without ripping it like I did the other one. Oops, you don't see. I had it right there. So trust the timing of your life. It's coffee o'clock. Nice work. Smile with me. So it's cute little stickers of stay strong. Like that. So it goes back to the same. That's cute to have little sayings. And I think the last one is the same as like sayings. Motivational sayings. Yeah, the last one is like that too. So I'm just gonna leave it. And then this one is tea. Everything tea. I think I picked this one up before, maybe? No, I didn't. So it's teacups, and teapots. This one is, yep, teacups, the same. And then this one also. So that is my order from the washi tape. So I'll be back with office supply and my Heidi Swap kit, and also my Archer and Olive kit for March. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please give it a thumbs up. It does help my channel. Love ya. Take care. Bye-bye.